Sunday today, April 11th. We're here at Harbor Freight. It's a tool store. Everything tools. This is my new store now. Just looking around and trying to figure what we need.
We found out we need it all.
Yeah, and we found out we need it all. Now we're looking for a what were we looking, baby?
I forgot.
The hitch at the back. What do you call
We
that?
started out, we was going to a little tailgate hitch. A little platform.
Tailgate
Like a little
tailgate
platform.
hitch.
Platform.
Smaller than the trailer. If we don't need to take a lot of stuff with us.
Toolbox.
Yeah, like toolbox and very nice. They have everything here.
I like the green.
No, I don't.
You don't like that?
No, I don't like the green.
Alright.
I like red.
Alright. Yeah, we gotta get ready. There goes our tractor.
Red or black. Red. They have red.
Yeah, they got right down there.
Yeah, they have red. Look. Yeah, cool store. It's my first time here. Cool store. We were supposed to get that like a carrier, a small trailer, just perfect for like a wheelbarrow, just small stuff, instead of taking the trailer all the time if we really don't have that much to take to the farm. But they don't have the deeper one. They have a small one, which is not what we're looking
Little toolbox.
for. A lot of toolbox. I like the orange. Nice toolbox here. These are socket set or Allen, I don't know, Allen range. These are range. So this is Harbor Freight. Harbor Freight. Ooh, nice.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
So what do you say? 2 of them?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Actually, they bring them. Actually, the company brings them to your house.
Oh wow.
Like, puts it together there for
Oh,
you.
do they?
Yeah.
On the spot. Very
Just-
nice. These are awesome.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Costs as much as some people's cars.
Yeah.
So how much is it?
This is 1 million right now.
How much is it?
I really don't know.
It's 14,000.
No, 1,400. 1,500.
1,499.
I should have asked her how much all this was. Hey,
Don't call her hey.
I'm sorry. Excuse me. How much is like a unit like this? I was trying to look at these prices.
Tom, how much do you think? How much does this whole unit go for?
My goodness. I hope you don't get it. We don't have space yet in the garage. He's a impulsive buyer.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I try to look at all these prices. I'll make it some
It's cool though. We've been looking for this one, but
Buy now, it's 10% off.
he built a really nice wood tool cabinet, but this would be at the barn or the shop. So each one has an individual price. Just this side is 1,199.
Oh no, there's another thing that you can actually put on top of this too. Yeah, right. Yeah. Or if you didn't want to do this, they have like a top chest.
Okay, that'll fit out. Alright, give me an idea.
We've sold
No doubt.
4 sets, 5 sets. I mean, that much money though. That's good. And they deliver it right to your house for free.
Just they stay over the company for like I believe.
Yep.
Yeah.
And it's a beast too because I mean, everything comes on its own pallets and you have to bolt things together. It's not like the other ones. It's like notches.
It's serious.
But yeah, we're trying to get your name out of those.
Yeah.
Garbage.
Alright, thank you.
We still do have some of the garbage.
Alright, gotcha.
Thank you.
So it's like, yeah,
Oh yeah.
isn't that crazy?
Yeah. Is it like an automatic thing, slide?
I can like put a mattress right there, and that could be like.
Put a what?
You could sleep in there.
No. You, not me.
Yeah. Very cool.
You can, this is like the two working table.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This.
Oh,
Oh wow.
okay. Red is cool.
That is way cool.
And if the house is red, oh my god, the red house.
So iconic. It's a new deal.
Security here.
They got everything in here.
So we should put this at the farm. Smile. You're on camera. Smile and you have a mask.
Solar kits. So you run like a little light bulb or something.
For the chicken coop.
25 watt. Yeah, 100 watt.
For the chicken coop.
Yeah.
Ah. You need more of this.
More tools.
Oh, tools.
Tools. Yeah, you're $4.99.
Huh?
I paid like $20 for that one.
Oh
But
wow.
It's a little nicer thing. Dang.
So we're not done yet. We're just on the 5th
We're just starting.
aisle. We're just starting. So I don't know what we're looking for now because they don't have what we want.